Hello everyone, it's Monika and I'm coming to you again with another craft kit from Crafters Companion. I'm in a design team, so I got this box number 40. I showed you some time ago box number 39. The full unboxing was inside, how everything's wrapped, but this time I thought, okay, I'm not going to be boring and I'm not going to show you exactly the same thing. But once I finish the sample, I decide that those cards are actually very good, and I really like this box. Really nice box, fun box, because it's called Wobbling Characters. Haven't worked with this kind of dice before, so I thought it's going to be a challenge, but it was really easy and extremely fun. So in this box you get over 85 elements. You can make minimum of 16 cards, and there is a list of stuff which are included in the box. As you will see, I've got only a few bits and pieces left. I left those bits of card and papers which are cut out on the side, so you're not going to see all those bits and pieces. And let's show you what's in the box. As always, they include, that's what I got left over. I haven't used those thicker ribbons, but you get all those three colors in three different sizes. You've got the thin one, I think it's 6 millimeters. This one I think it's 10, and this one 15. So you get all three different sizes in three colors. So let's put this aside, and then you get these cute stamps. 4 different stamps. As you can see, there is a fairy, there is a hero, a dog and a cat, and of course you get the dice to go with them, and that wobbling mechanism which you cut out. You can use vellum, or you can use, no, not vellum, acetate, because it has to be sturdy. But I used a stamping card from Crafters Companion, which is 300 GSM. Let me grab that stamping card so I can show you as well. I used this white stamping card. It's 300 GSM and it's very good. I use this one and it works really well. So dice and stamps. Then we get 2 different sizes of card blanks. This one is 5 by 7 and this one is 4 by 6, I think. Yes. And of course envelopes. And then I only left those full sheets. So you get the 4 different colors of a card, and let me move the box because that's it. There's no more in the box. And then you get the printed card as well. It's not that thick, but if you layer it on top of the thicker card, it works really well. So you've got 4 different colors and 6 of the printed ones. So you've got the paper, envelopes and card blanks, stamps and cutting dice, together with 4 sizes. Actually I use only 2, the smaller one, because the dog is slightly thinner, so you need to use this one for the dog, and the rest it doesn't matter because I only use those 2. And ribbons. And now it's time to show you the samples. So I've made 5 samples, different styles and in 2 different sizes, because we get 2 different card blanks, 2 different sizes. So this one is 5 by 7, and I will show you the wobbling mechanism. Look, and I only used that stamping card, 300 GSM. Of course the ribbon layered with different papers, and this one is 5 by 7 with the sentiment. And what I wanted to show you, all the characters I colored with color blending pencils. I've got another set as well, but mainly I think I use this one. So I wanted to use alcohol markers, but I always use my alcohol markers, so I thought let's change something. And I think they look quite nice. So that's the first one. This one is the smaller size, it's 4 by 6. And again, I create the banner, some ribbon, and because the cards were one on top of another, those characters are a bit flat, but you have to just pull them a little bit and they start to wobble again. So that's the second, and now we've got the cat. Again, I have to pull this one, and it's so fun. Once you get the box and you've got the mechanism, you can use any character you've got in your stash. It doesn't have to be the one which you have to color. You can use, I'm going to definitely use a butterfly. So any butterflies, and you can use them on cards, so they're going to be really different. And last two, I use the fairy because I thought the fairy looks cute. And as you can see, both of them are colored slightly differently in different colors. So this one is Z-fold card. I really love those colors for the fairy, and the papers, they go really well. Again, as you can see, that wobbling character moves. And this one is reverse easel card. Lately I love this style of cards. If you watch my presentation for watercolor Christmas collection, you will see that there is another reverse easel card, so I might actually link that video somewhere on the top so you can check it out if you haven't watched it already. So I hope you like this little box. This box has really nice cute characters, and you can use them for any occasion, for anyone, I think. So we've got something for boys, something for girls, and something for anyone, any pet loving friend. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.